epic day today. We rode up to Umling and I'm just reflecting on the day and sharing something that I was pondering in my helmet today. So we started the day by going on some off-roads and that was really fun. And then we started the climb up to Umling, which is the world's highest rideable pass, motorable pass, at about 5,800 and something meters above sea level. And on the ride up, it was a beautiful ride, and I really enjoyed the ride. I could have just kept riding and riding and riding, and it reminded me of this concept that it's not the destination that matters, but the journey to get to the destination. And of course, today's destination was incredible, and it was also about the destination, but it was, for me personally, a lot about the journey to get there. The days that we've been riding, the last 8-9 days, to get to here now, to ride up to this mountain pass. And it made me think that this applies to most things in life, and especially also business. And how often in business and in life we try and go to the destination really quickly, and we forget the journey. And all we can see is destination, let's go, 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 go. But what's the point if we can't enjoy the journey? I really believe that the secret in living an epic life is to find the joy in the journey. Even if the journey sucks, even if the journey is difficult, if we can find a little bit of joy in the journey, it makes everything so much more worth it. Because also when we, especially if we look at, let's say, but it applies to anything, but let's say in business, we set a crazy target, a crazy goal, a crazy destination, we get there, and then we set the next one, and then the next one, and then the next one. So what's the point if we can't enjoy the journey to get to that destination? Just some ponderings here. It is only about 8:30 at night, maybe 9 o'clock, and I'm ready for bed. I hope you are doing well, and I'll be sharing more road updates if something comes to me that is worth sharing with you. Have a good one. We're having a little Polaroid moment here, and they're getting ready for the photo. And it's so sweet. Photo! Good morning from the rooftop here in Manali at our homestay. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's super warm already, and today we are making our way back slowly to Manali with a stop in Leh. So today we are riding to Leh, which is about 250 km. Tomorrow we're going to Sarchu, and then last day to Manali. So 3 more riding days before we finish this epic adventure, and it's been unbelievable. It's been so much more than I ever thought it would be, and especially I'm used to riding alone or with one friend, and here we've been riding with 16 riders in total, and it's been so much better than I thought. I thought it would be, interesting, but it's been amazing. I'd do it again in a heartbeat. So grateful. So grateful. Some sort of a festival going on out here. So
Say cello, cello.
Matt made a little friend here.
Yeah, I want to keep him.
Coming with us.
Can I keep him?
We found the kitchen here. We got some chai tea. Everyone is so lovely. Everyone is so nice. Take contact with it.
What the yogurt is in the
Eating some local food made by this beautiful woman.
What
Ladakhi food, and it's jimpo, means delicious. Jimpo. This beautiful woman here is wearing her traditional outfit and making us this incredible food here. So good. They cook it with horse stuff here. Yay! Oh, sheep and horse. Yeah. Sheep and horse poop. Yay!
You haven't seen the dance.
Yeah, these kids are incredible. Look at that. We don't dance like that, right? I reckon we pick it up.
Good morning from beautiful Leh. I just woke up and I feel a little bit dusty today. Might have been the vodka I had last night with some of our crew, which is a bit silly because we have a big day today. But hey, we only live once. I'm just gonna have to be extra careful on the road. So let me show you quickly where I am right now. We're in this beautiful place here in Leh, and the views here from my balcony are just so stunning. I can't get enough of this place. And today we're riding from Leh to Sarchu, and then two more riding days, and then one more day from Sarchu to Manali, and then back to Australia. Just made it to our camp here in Sarchu after a really long day of riding. We did the Gata loops again, and I got some footage for you that I can share with you. It's pretty an interesting ride. Lots of trucks, lots of cars, lots of, I think 21 turns maybe, and there was a construction site, there was quite a bit of off-roading, and it was epic. A few river crossings, my feet are a bit cold. And now we're stepping in here. It's awesome. Look how beautiful it is. So peaceful. is just coming up over the valley. We stayed down there last night. And last night we came up here to look at the stars, and I have never seen anything like that. I saw, within less than an hour, I saw 6 shooting stars. It was insane. And today is our last riding day. We head back to Manali and then back to Delhi tomorrow. And I feel so much gratitude for this epic adventure. And obviously, like, these are just happy, sad tears that I've been crying all morning, because it's been such an amazing adventure. It's been more beautiful, more difficult, more amazing, more connected than I think anyone here could ever have imagined. And super grateful. Instead of talking, I'm gonna turn the camera and show you around, because the beauty here is just insane. Go home. We're all packed up. We got here to Manali yesterday and now ready to take a flight back to Delhi. I'll grab some water. And then Delhi, I have a keynote tomorrow, and then next day back home. And I can't wait to see my girls. I miss them so much. It's been such an epic adventure. I can't wait to share some footage, some behind the scene with you. For now, it's adios. Hasta la vista. Ciao. Bis später.